Hello everybody, Mike with Natural Dragonfly Wellness here at the River Walk Seafood Festival. Just gonna take a quick video around, show you everybody. It's been an amazing day. I've been getting crushed. I'm here by myself. It's been awesome. I got a little break, so I figured I'd do a little quick video. Let's check around, see what we got going on. So everybody's on the outer walkways. That's why you don't see many people here in the grass. Everybody's on the outer walkway here. Right on the water. Hi ladies. All right, everybody, we love you.